Yeah, I was saying, I don't think it was recording, but we're gonna make our way through the castle to Rellana today. Get active again. So your last fight, it's a very scary fight. I think finishing up our prisoner. And we have it's his eyes. Well that and then I think we could use that. I think we use this. Use that and get some good guard on. Get some Assyrians class. And we'll just throw on block feathers with heavy wood. Also heavy wood. Rather than just heavy, go for that and then on economy on the raging wolf on it. Or you can on 80 old farts. Don't leave that. And do you got Tish? I got Tish. So that. We're just gonna land here. That one, put this on, and drink this in here, some Tish. Okay. Oh, hey, look at that. Get out of that. Jumper! Jumper! Oh shit. The very front boss is up. Okay. Here we go. Use the boss up. Let's go with the boss. This is me. Keep going. Wow, punching up. Okay. This. Cross it. Wait, cross it. Yeah, right. Actually, no, so just clear down. Oh shit. Woo! Live. Drink. Ouch. Sneeze. Freaky nice. Walk! Oh man, that's there. That's up. Yeah, guys, that's up. Go back. Go in. Ow! Itch. Oh, oh, fucking knife. Oh, what did we do? Yeah, that's everything. No, it's not fair. Pay for the game. Give them one. Oh, that's our roots. Sad. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Bishop doesn't. Good one. Cool, and it's command six. So, command six. Try to do that. That's just easy. That one, so that one should slow down. It's a zip and command six. That is that one. There we go. Wait. Oh, that's up. Peace. Good. Oh, pawn. That sucks. She's not gonna. Wait, I'm gonna shoot. That's it. Okay, wait for me. It's good. Spicy still. Yeah. Wow. Good work. Good work. No way! Oh, I did so hard. Wow. I'm just gonna drop that. Wow, it's nice. That's crazy. Look at that. I got to press it before I had to do it. There we go. Slow down. And here. And you should. Good job. So good for a while. Oh, hello. Oh, we got so much. They take corners. They just want us. Yeah. Yeah, back. Massive. Oh, we can see. Oh. That's a just that. She's like big hit. Just stuff. Oh man, one didn't work. Fuck. Two guys. Good. Fish. Back. Oh, they can't. Switch. Right into this. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh, left. Gotta live. Good. Thanks. Back on left. Help. Shit. Fuck. Oh, mine's more powerful. Yes. You're talking about. I hate her. Her stupid ass. Such cool music. So stupid. I hate those. So much. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. It's awesome. 18,000. We're good. We're good on that. Let's go. Oh. Skadu Atlas. There she is. Needle Knight Letta.
You what I found.
Thank you.
Mickey says the truth of it is evident.
Okay.
Hello again.
There we go.
To meet my compatriot, quite
did.
the congregation. Doubtless it have all. Were it not for the charm, this is the work. Wondering about the horse
Of course
enough?
not.
In any other circumstance, long ago, Queen Marek a cleansing by fire.
The hell?
It's no wonder the That aside, and in this regard, the Tower, they were never saints. They just happened to be on the losing side, but it's still a wretched shame.
So interesting. I don't know, like, a lot of the lore, but I want to. The DLC lore, I haven't watched, Vati's new video yet, but it's on my list. She's got nothing. She's got nothing to say. They're both still here. Okay.
They must mean some more. Some more is a kind and
I love him.
our little outfit. Some more traffics with the forager brood, his brethren, who no doubt they find these are not your foes, Tarnished. Should you spot any forager brood,
That's nice.
righteous Tarnished.
Okay, nothing brings me here. I love this guy. He's so cool. Don't hit me. Okay, bye. Oh, Skadu tree. Hell yeah. Alright, let's grab this. Bitch. Say anything? Nope. Bitch boy. Where you going? Where you going? Fuck this guy. Get on the ground. Okay. Man, I hate the chase on this stupid ass one. Bitch ass. Oh, we ain't got no more mana. You're not winning this. Pussy. I'm better. I dislike Dry Leaf Dane so much. Oh my goodness. He's so lame. Personally. Boom. What the fuck? What the fuck? So cool. What is the charm? Because the seal is like that, but what's the charm? Because that's weird. Because Miquella's Great Rune is only like cures you from ailments and stuff, but her Great Rune broke. So that's weird. We had to break her Great Rune to get in here. So, I wonder why we had to break her Great Rune. Oh my, hate this guy. He's so fat, man. Big ass hitbox. I thing is, if you see hippos around the map, definitely kill them because they are they almost always have scatter tree fragments. Like I was looking at in a playthrough I did. It's like, oh, there's one in this hippo that I kill. In this hippo there's one. In this hippo there's one. There's at least 3 or 4 now. They all, most of them have scattered tree. Yeah, man, this fucking stagger is so useful. I love it. It's one of my favorite weapons. In all the Souls games, this weapon's been in it, I think. Fucking hate that furnace golem. Such a stupid enemy. But I think we'll go get the grace and then we'll sign off for today. Gross. Scorpion liver? Ew. There's a PETA post. Love all dogs. No. Fuck these things. Ew. There's no hidden door there. Don't care about that message. Oh.
of the grace of gold shall all meet death.
Why is
In the embrace of Mesmer's flame.
Why is Mesmer here? Mesmer fanboy. Fanboy. OP dog. Pussy. Fuck, he is Mesmer's. Wow. Bitch. Wow, that Holmes. Bitch. Ice meets fire.
My words,
Pussy.
graceless heathen.
Graceless heathen?
Nothing
You're a dumb bitch. That's what you are. Graceless heathen. Fuck you. This way. The fuck? Oh shit. Oh. There we go. Bitch. Just a normal. Oh, hello. Bitch. Alright. Good. On the way down here. Go. We're not gonna rest. Just gonna open the door. Just gonna come up here. Climb over pile of rubble. Oh, wow. I just got a full facial. It's a bug. Bitch. Yeah, if you didn't know, there's a... I guess there's a cross here. Good. What did she say? I hear a bend in my arm, Sinstro. What the fuck does that mean? The hell? Mikola's so cryptic, man. Rest here. What was I? What did I pick up? Oh yeah. bunch of nothing. I think that's where I'm gonna end. I don't really like how the look right now, but we'll find something soon. Look for a permanent kind of helmet or permanent look. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what we decide. Silly gesture pen.